Jeez, Andre name, dopeboydre, in the trap with it. You feel me? Post it up real quick, my nigga, you feel me? We out here. You feel me? We just out here, dog. We just out here. We out here. Friday, my nigga. Boy, down in the park. Friday. Friday. I think it's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. Man. Out here. Goes on and goes on. Feel me? Step up to the mic, dude. You know what I'm saying? Hive bandit. You feel me? Your boy dopeboydre, huh? We're going. Yes, sir. We out here. We out here. See? In the parks, nigga. In the parks. Post it up in the parks and show the parks after dark. Broad daylight. Got the drip on that shit. Got the Reebok on Reebok. You feel me? 100,000 now, write your whole EP. Dad. Shit. It's your boy dopeboydre, man. Hardest out the trap right now, man. Come on. Come. Back up. Hive bandit. God damn it, can't stand them. Hive bandit. Bandit. Hive bandit. Luxury lifestyle and hive bandit. Can't stand them. Hive bandit. Hive bandit. Hive bandit. Damn, can't stand them. Hive bandit. Damn, can't stand them. Hold up. Red River Army, Android 17, Red River Army, Android 17, hive bandit, damn you can't stand them. Hive bandit.